Today, I am here to show you a Science Wiz electricity challenge. Okay, here we go. This is the stuff you need. A paper clip, two paper fasteners, just like a piece of paper with two holes in it. One of these things, and two of these kind of cords, a red and a green, and a yellow one, and then you need a battery and a rubber band. If you want to spin something, you need this. Here we go. So first we need to push the paper fasteners through the two holes in the paper. Okay. Push it through the hole in here, like this, and then we have to push the other one in. Okay. Now it says turn over the cardboard and push one fastener through the paper clip. Through a paper clip. Okay. So I'm going to push it through the paper clip like that. Right here. Okay. Now it tells me bend over the paper fasteners. So I'm going to bend over the paper fasteners. Okay, I bent over the paper fasteners. Now, clip each paper fastener. Okay, so we're going to need the yellow cord and the red cord. They made a mistake here. It's not supposed to be the green cord. Okay, so we need the yellow cord connecting to right there. So we need the yellow cord right there. And then the red cord should be connected to the battery with the green cord on the other side. We need the red cord right on the other side. I know you can't see right now. 1 second. And I'm done. Okay, right like this. It's connected to the battery. So now we need to connect the yellow cord to the cord here. Okay, so the yellow cord needs to be connected to that, like this. I'm sorry, I don't have anything the height of this table that I could need my camera on so I can videotape everything. Okay, like that. So like that. Then we connect the green cord to the other side. Sorry about can't see me. Okay, so you see how this says switch on it? So I have to push this paper clip for it to work. And it needs to be in a circle. Now I push it back. Wait, what? No. So it's on. It's touching the paper clip like that. And now it's not. Pretty cool. About these, we're gonna turn it back on and connect this to that. Okay, ready? So first I'm gonna put it on top like that. I have to hold it up in the air for a little bit, like this, and then I have to turn it on. Oops. Just like this. Now it's spinning. Okay. That's all for today.